Our last example is going to be on step functions. A state requires a ratio of 1 lifeguard to 60 swimmers in a swimming pool. This means that one lifeguard can watch up to and including 60 swimmers. Make a table and draw a graph that shows the number of lifeguards that must be on duty, f of x, based on the number of swimmers in the pool, x. The number of lifeguards that must be on duty can be represented by a step function. If the number of swimmers is greater than 0 but fewer than or equal to 60, only one lifeguard must be on duty. If the number of swimmers is greater than 60 but fewer than or equal to 120, there must be 2 lifeguards on duty. If the number of swimmers is greater than 180 but fewer than or equal to 240, then there must be 4 lifeguards on duty. Drag the number of lifeguards on duty to the corresponding number of swimmers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when there's 120 or up to 180, we have to have 3 lifeguards. More than 100 or 240, but less than or equal to 300, 5. More than 300, but less than or equal to 360, 6. More than 360, but less than 420 or equal to 427. When we plot this onto the graph, we see that when there are 0 to 60 swimmers, we have to have 1 lifeguard. When there's more than 60 up to 120, we have 2. 120 to 180, 3, etc., etc., etc. The dots represent the maximum number of swimmers that can be in the pool for that particular number of lifeguards on duty. The circles mean that when there are more than a multiple of 60 swimmers, another lifeguard is required. So when you get to that open dot, it's time to call in another lifeguard to help supervise all the people in the pool.